Hi, my name's Gemma. You might know me from this Sun article or this TikTok that went a tiny bit viral, my transition video to me wearing my Clip On Veneers. Now I really wanted to sit here and talk seriously about the truth about instasmile and my Clip On Veneers. So let me just go and get them for you and we will sit and talk truth. These are my A2 classics. I didn't buy these ones actually got gifted to me by instasmile, so I'm going to put these ones in. Okay, now that they're in, let's have a serious talk about instasmile and their Clip On Veneers. Okay, I may have just been playing it off a little bit there with the sad music. Okay, so I have a condition called ameliogenesis imperfecta, which means I don't have any enamel on my teeth. Now, the dentist done everything they could whilst I was little, but as I've gotten older, they've literally just shoved me off. Anyway, I found instasmile at literally probably the most perfect time as to when I was really, really struggling with the way I look and my confidence and everything. I just want to start talking about the customer service. They were so good, they were so lovely. And I'm not being paid to say any of this or like asked to say any of this. This is just a genuine video and I just wanted to talk about it because of how much these Clip On Veneers have helped my confidence. Like, I can go out and smile and talk to people, smile in photos, but their customer service was absolutely brilliant. Every time I failed a impression, which was like 6-7 times for me, they called me up, spoke me through it. They were absolutely amazing. And then obviously I got my veneers. They've just been so lovely the whole time. It was a very quick process, very, very easy. And they were always there on the other end of the line if I needed them. I've honestly never felt so comfortable talking or smiling than I have wearing these. And I just want to thank instasmile so much for that. And obviously my family who paid for it. But instasmile, thank you. I love my teeth now. Obviously I chose A1s and they kindly sent me A2s so I could see the difference and, you know, show you guys the difference. Obviously this is more like a daily wear and I wear A1 if I go out, but I just want to thank you guys so much. I'm just so in love.